Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in on my channel. As you can probably tell that I'm in a completely different setup, a different background. I'm actually in my hometown, Jakarta, Indonesia. It's been an absolute dream to finally be able to just be at home. Since the pandemic, it has just been a constant battle for me to go back, especially since I have my almost 2-year-old daughter now. This is her first time to visit Indonesia, so I'm just so ecstatic. If you're interested to see what I've been up to, I have already posted a couple of vlogs which I'm gonna link down below, so you can follow me along and see what Indonesia from my perspective looks like. In this video, I want to share with you some of my hair care routine that are, I think a lot of them are new items that I just bought here in Indonesia. And if you as you can see, my hair now is very light. This is the lightest that I have been. I didn't plan to go this light, but accidents always happen, and when you go to a hair salon, the result doesn't always end up like you requested. So this is what the result looks like. It looks good for pictures. I have to say I really like what it looks like in pictures, and especially when I curl it, but the maintenance, it's pretty tricky. So if you want to know what I've been doing, then keep on watching. As you can see, my hair now is very light. It took about 4 hours. They bleached my hair twice. My hair was really dark and black, and it took a long time for them to get to this light. I was always curious to see myself as a blonde, but now that I have a very light hair, I don't know how I feel about them, but I know that they are now a little more high maintenance. So I've been trying this Moist Diane Extra Volume and Scalp. I know I'm supposed to use this purple shampoo for blonde hair, but I just haven't found one that I like or that I've seen good reviews about here in Jakarta. I know there are a lot back in US, but I just haven't seen one that I like. So I decided to pick up this Moist Diane Extra Volume and Scalp. Now that this is not intended really for a blonde hair or a color treated hair, it doesn't say anywhere, at least on the instruction, but I do struggle with oily scalp, and I really want my hair to be more voluminous, and I feel like this and it also say that it strengthens the hairs on the roots, and it also treat the scalp. So that's, I feel like, what I miss, because my scalp gets really dry. So I like that. I use this particularly on my scalp, but then I don't really use it on the ends of my hair. For the ends of my hair now, I'm using the Yves Rocher color treated shampoo, which now I'm out of because it was a leftover from my dad. So I need to go buy or search for a new shampoo. Okay, so for conditioner, I'm using this again from Diane, Diane Perfect Beauty Miracle You Damage Repair Treatment. So my hair, I feel like during the pandemic, I rarely blow dry my hair. I rarely use any straightener or curler. So my hair is, I feel like my hair is a very healthy condition, but I really want to have some moisture, to give some moisture back to my hair, because it's been bleached and it's been colored and it dries my hair. And this one, it says that it's really suitable for color treated hair or hair that has been chemically treated. So it really repairs the damage on the hair overall. It says color keeper. It protects hair from the color from fading, so I feel like it helps. But it does say on the instruction that to stay away from the scalp, maybe because it's too oily or it's too moisturizing. So I just focus on from the middle section to ends of my hair, and so far I feel like it really makes my hair look smoother, makes it feel more smoother, which I really like. And also this shampoo and conditioner is made from Japan, and yeah, I've heard good things from everything made from Japan. And then next is an investment, and because this is one of the most, not one, this is the most expensive hair care item that I just recently purchased because of my bleached hair now. I bought this Kerastase Blond Absolu, I think I'm butchering this pronunciation, mask ultraviolet. This is basically a hair mask, but it's in the color purple, and it smells really nice. You know how Kerastase products always feels and looks and smells really luxurious, and this one is no exception. I used it once and I really like how it instantly gives my hair a shinier and a healthier and even a smoother looking result, because when I first wash my my newly bleached and dyed hair, even though it doesn't feel coarse, but it looks really coarse because I feel like it's just dry. But when I use this, it just instantly look healthier. So I used this yesterday and I feel it still gives a good shine, and it really feels really smooth. So this one is very expensive, but I feel like it's worth it. So next is this this is what I bring from the US. This is Amika Glass Action Universal Elixir. This one is supposed to give added shine, and you can use it when you style your hair, or after you style your hair, or just while you're styling your hair. So it's supposed to elasticize, shine, and stop frizz. And I think I bought it about a year or so ago, and it really helps, especially after I style my hair and I have a lot of baby hairs going everywhere because of postpartum. I still have a lot of baby hair left, so these really help tame it. I don't really have frizzy hair to begin with, but it helps taming all that fly away, so I really like that. When I style my hair, I feel like it's really important to protect the hair from heat, especially when you're scalp treated. So I've been using the leftover Tresemme Thermal Creations. So I have to say, this is an old packaging. I brought this home to Indonesia at least 3 years ago, because the last time I was home was 2019. So this was the bottle that I had left over, and I didn't bring a new one when I got home because I forgot. But luckily my friend brought me one, just haven't got it yet. But this is very crucial to the health of my hair, especially when I curl it or straighten it or dry it. I always use this before as an added protection to heat, because it's just very important. Before I knew this, my hair would just get split ends because I would straighten my hair every single day, but ever since I use this, I never have any split ends. So this is very crucial. Ever since I've colored my hair, I've been very concerned about washing my hair every day, because I used to wash my hair every day because I used to work out every day. Now I'm struggling because I still want to work out, but I don't want to wash my hair every day, because the more I wash my hair, this is probably wrong, but I just have this theory in my head, the more I wash my hair, the quicker it will fade. So I've been using this Batiste dry shampoo. I used to love this, but now I don't know how you say it. This is an old love that just got back. I just found my old love again. Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo, and this one is an old bottle from at least 3 years ago, because I just found this in my vanity, and this is in the Clean and Light Bear. I don't even know if they still have this scent, but I really like it, and it really helps with oily scalp and like that. And last but not least, is just, I feel like this is just a for fun addition to my hair care. This is This is the Hair Energy Scentsations by Makarizo, and this is supposed to give you I don't know, to give my hair, it smells really nice. It's just like just a hair salon. I like how it smells. It's just, you're just supposed to spray it like that, and it acts like a perfume, but it doesn't really add anything, so it's really lightweight, and it doesn't leave my hair feels oily or anything. So I really like that. And also, as an added bonus, it also serves UV protection to the hair, which I never really thought of. So I feel like that's a good bonus, and it helps to moisturize and make hair shiny. So I need that because my hair has been really dry. That's all my new hair care items while I'm here in Indonesia. If you have any recommendation for me, any purple shampoo or any hair oils, or maybe heat protector here in Indonesia, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.